I choose Horizon because it was like small schools, small classes, and private.
Something really special about Horizon is that everybody does a really good job of working together and making sure that you feel supported. So like from the top down, admin to students.
Strongest part of our school is the communication and support in the staff. And staff needs help, staff needs support, they find it immediately. That makes a big difference in the school and culture and environment.
I had low expectations at first because I didn't know, what it was going to be like with it being a charter school. But they actually exceeded them because they kind of like helped them become a stronger citizens, like helping around the house, and it made them like just better.
I've worked at a lot of schools, and I think the parent-teacher relationships at this school are about the strongest I've ever seen. There's a lot of great outreach to parents. Parents reach out to us, and people are willing to help, and we have a nice, strong community.
We do home visits, which are really great, especially when we do them before the Thanksgiving holiday. We visit our students' families, we give them a little gift from us, and we let them know how much we appreciate them.
I love the family atmosphere of the teachers. It's just, I never seen nothing like it. They really care for them. There was nothing like this in the Columbus public. Make you feel like they really care about them and they have their best interests.
I think diversity is one of the biggest things we have in our school. When you can have a building that has 30 to 35 different countries represented by a student or more, that's amazing to me.
What I like most with my time of being in Horizon Science Academy is just all the diversity that you have within the school.
No matter what you're going through, when you go here, it's a happy environment. It turns your mood around and you're happy, you're learning.
Our school is awarded by the Ohio Department of Education, which is named Momentum Award. Momentum Award is always given to schools who are exceeding in the growth level.
CYSP is such a good opportunity for students to get kind of an accelerated path outside of the classrooms.
We believe students need mentorship through their life, besides education, math, and science. So this program provides the mentorship for students, and they learn life through their mentors. And our teachers are our mentors, and they help them weekends, after schools. They take them different places like camps, like museums, and colleges even.
A lot of things also include parents, a lot of parent engagement. We did a lot of different things like family game nights. We did a field trip to Fruit Farm. We went to Coastside.
We had summer programs, we had winter camps, we have a Saturday school that we came in and we did like advanced materials, so I was able to get ahead on some other courses that we had.
Students who are coming in our building, we set the mind that you're all gonna go to college.
While they were here, they were doing high school classes, which helps them when they get to the high school to help them get ready for college.
Our high school prepares students in different pathways and allows them to get certifications in nursing, in technology, and in computer science. So what we try to do down here at the middle school is we really focus on what are those skills that students need in order to succeed in those pathways at our high school. So we're kind of building them from the ground up, asking them to kind of identify what their strengths are here and then pushing them to succeed in those so that when they get to high school, they feel like they have some sort of awareness of what they're good at, what they like to do, and then things that they would be interested in. So that prepares them to be successful in kind of the things that they are interested in.
In terms of me being in college right now, it was a great help from Horizon just because of the preparation that we had with different courses. I'm a systems engineering major, so for me getting that foundation of engineering was actually very helpful when it came to like taking those first courses of engineering in college, because I already knew the basics of most engineering, of the engineering process.